All right, Grand Rising. I'm going to go ahead and stay in the dark today. We are going to be doing affirmations today. So I am literally just going to, I normally, I could do them on my own, but I pulled up one that had like a whole bunch of them. It's just, I wanted to do more than just like 6 or 7, which I know me. And if I'm doing it off the top of my head, 6 or 7 is about what I'm good for. Really wanted to nail in some affirmations and just really get that root chakra balanced, shifting, changing our perspective, right? So let's go into that. And I'm going to be reading off root chakra affirmations. So let's go ahead and get into our space. Get comfortable. And let's take our deep inhales and exhales in through the nose, out through the mouth. Before we start these affirmations, whether you're a visual meditator or not, if you are not, be easy. You're not doing anything wrong. But let's picture that root chakra, that red disc spinning at the base of our spine. Now, just imagine that bright light rooting us into Mother Earth is opening up. It's a big funnel just shining down, opening up that space, opening up that channel for us to receive grounding, stability, safety, secure, bringing in all of those vibrations and frequencies of the root chakra. Now, just breathe normally and listen carefully. I am in harmony with my surroundings. I am in harmony with my surroundings. I trust my instincts and make decisions with confidence. I am connected to the natural world around me. I am at peace with the past and look forward to the future. I release all negativity and embrace positivity. I am in control of my own life and destiny. I am a pillar of stability in all that I do. I trust the process of life and embrace change. I am grateful for the support of my ancestors. I release any attachments that no longer serve me. I am firmly anchored in my beliefs and values. I am financially responsible and attract abundance. I am open to change and growth. I am connected to the energy of the earth's core. I trust the universe to provide for all my needs. I am safe, supported, and secure in my life. I am open to receiving the blessings of the earth. I am rooted in the strength of my character. I am grateful for the stability in my life. I am strong, capable, and courageous. I am in control of my own life. I release all fears and insecurities that hold me back. I am supported by the universe in all my endeavors. I am open to receiving the abundance of the universe. I am rooted in love and compassion. I am in tune with my body's natural rhythms. I trust in the flow of life and go with the current. I release all tension and negativity from my body. I am confident in my ability to handle challenges. I honor my body and treat it with respect. I am grateful for the simple pleasures of life. I am firmly grounded in my beliefs and values. I am at peace with my past and look to the future. I am open to receiving the abundance of the earth. I am rooted in the present moment. I am abundant within myself. I am strong, steady, and grounded. I have access to all the resources I need to survive and thrive. I am equipped with all the tools I need to succeed. Everything I need comes to me at exactly the right place and time. I vibrate powerful, abundant, peaceful energy and attract this same energy in return. Deep inner peace, excuse me, is my natural state. Even when the world around me feels chaotic, I remain rooted firmly to the ground. All my needs are met. I am safe in my body. Like a growing tree, I am connected to both the earth and the sky. I am exactly where I am meant to be. I know who I am, and I love who I am. No matter what storms come, I am rooted to the earth and I am safe. No matter what happens in the world, I choose to feel peace within. No matter what storms come, I am rooted to the earth and I am safe. No matter what happens in the world, I choose to feel peace within. Take a deep inhale. Deep exhale. 2 more. Really pulling in that earth energy as you're inhaling. See it coming through that funnel into your root chakra. All right, guys. Let's take some time now. Let's go into our little quiet space in the end. Holding space for each other, holding space for others, holding space for the earth right now and all the spots that need some love. Let's extend those thoughts now. Guys, I apologize for that frog in my throat today. If you're in a good space, go ahead and stay here. If not, let's bring our eyes, nose, mouth, throat, chest, stomach, legs, arms, back to this dimension. Opening them up. Oh, taking a stretch. All right, everybody. Root chakra. I would say let's share, but we're going to move on today. We're going to actually, no. Does anybody have anything to share? I felt the heart was a little heavy today, so I'm not sure. I'm like, no, somebody might have something to share. And if not, that's okay too. Okay, great. Tomorrow, we're going over ways that we can balance this chakra. So we will do that tomorrow. I will see you guys mañana. Everyone have a great day. Bye, guys.